So, you've got a business to run, a product to sell, a service to offer. But with the digital landscape constantly evolving, are you confident that your marketing strategy is keeping up? Today, we're going to take you on a journey and show you how the right digital marketing strategy can help you dominate your market. Rise up and take control. Narrator 1. First, let's start with the fundamentals. Who is your target audience? What platforms are they on? And, more importantly, what do they want? Answering these questions correctly will help you develop the right messaging and positioning for your brand. Narrator 2. Knowledge is power, and in the realm of digital marketing, data is king. With advanced tools and analytics platforms, we can help you understand your consumers' behaviors, preferences, and needs to create a dynamic marketing strategy that resonates and delivers results. Narrator 3. Now that you know your audience inside and out, let's talk about content. Your content, whether it's a social media post, a blog article, or a video, is your identity. It tells your audience who you are, what you do, and why you're better than your competitors. Narrator 4. Another crucial part of a successful digital marketing strategy is search engine optimization. SEO is the mechanism that powers how high or low your website appears in search results. Our team will help optimize your website, improve its search ranking, and drive more organic traffic to your page. Capturing leads and converting them into customers is another key element of a strong digital marketing strategy. Whether it's through email marketing, personalized offers, or automated drip campaigns, we'll help you secure those leads and turn them into buying customers. Narrator 6. We can't forget, of course, the power of social media. No modern digital marketing strategy is complete without an effective social media component. With clever campaigns, compelling content, and data-driven insights, we'll help you build, engage, and convert a loyal online community. Narrator 7. There's a sea of competition out there, and you need to make sure your brand cuts through the noise. Hand in hand with an impactful content strategy comes paid advertising. With targeted display and search ads, we'll help you reach new customers and drastically increase your online visibility. Narrator 8. At its core, a successful marketing strategy is a continuous journey of evolution and improvement. Digital marketing is no different. Using the right metrics and KPIs, we'll track the performance of your digital marketing efforts, iterate, and optimize your strategy for bigger and better results. Narrator 9. Digital marketing is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Every business is unique, and so should be your strategy. Our experts will work with you closely to understand your business objectives, industry landscape, and market trends to develop a tailor-made strategy that works for you and your consumers. Narrator 10. But of course, no strategy is complete without great execution. From planning and creating content to running campaigns and tracking metrics, our dynamic and experienced team will ensure every aspect of your digital marketing strategy is executed to the highest standard, delivering exceptional results for your business. Narrator 11. We've talked a lot about digital marketing, but let us not forget why every strategy, campaign, and piece of content matters: sales. At the end of the day, the ultimate goal of a marketing strategy is to generate leads, drive sales, improve your revenue stream, expand your customer base, and dominate your market. Narrator 12. The digital landscape is fast-paced and ever-changing. To stay competitive and remain visible, you need to elevate your digital presence. Rise and take control with our digital marketing strategy and revolutionize your online success. Narrator 13. Remember, with our powerful strategy, you're not just playing the game. You're dominating it. You're not just present. You're impactful. Not just selling. Winning. And not just surviving. Thriving. Narrator 14. Stay ahead of the curve with our robust, innovative, and winning digital marketing strategy. Let us worry about the marketing, while you focus on what you do best: growing and developing your business. Narrator 15. Are you ready to transform your business? It all starts with an exceptional digital marketing strategy. Get in touch with us today and start your journey towards market domination. The digital world is yours, if you're ready to take it. Narrator 16. Together, we'll paint a picture of your business that's not just fascinating, but powerful, captivating, and most importantly, profitable. Ignite a revolution in your marketing and experience unprecedented success. Your journey to market domination starts here. Narrator 17. With our reliable and adept team alongside you, you can be confident that your digital marketing strategy is in the right hands. We eat, sleep, and breathe digital marketing, and we're here to make sure your business not only survives but thrives. Narrator 18. The key to market domination? It's not just about selling a product or service anymore. It's about creating a compelling brand identity, delivering an outstanding customer experience, and pushing the boundaries of digital transformation. It's about strategy, innovation, and execution. It's about rising and taking control. Narrator 19. And as the digital age continues to expand, there's no better time to take control of your digital marketing strategy than now. Don't get left behind. Join us and lead the way in your industry. The time is now. The market is waiting. Are you ready to rise and take control? Narrator 20. Don't delay any further. Your competitors are already taking the leap. Unite with us and rethink the potential of your digital marketing strategy. Let's rise and take control, together. Narrator 21. Want to grab the reins to your market and skyrocket your business? With us on your side, nothing is beyond your reach. You're not just part of a digital revolution. You're leading it. Narrator 22. At the end of the day, digital marketing is about empowering your business. It's about amplifying your reach, attracting and converting leads, improving your revenue stream, and most importantly, dominating your market. It's about revolutionizing your business paradigm. It's about rising and taking control. Narrator 23. Your journey toward digital evolution starts now. And together, we're ready to help steer your course toward unparalleled success in the digital realm. With a winning strategy and unwavering determination, the power to dominate your market is in your hands. Rise and take control. Narrator 24. Thank you for joining us on this journey and discovering the power that a successful digital marketing strategy can hold. Remember, the key is in the data, the content, the SEO, the campaigns, and the continuous effort to adapt, evolve and dominate. The power's in your hands. Rise and take control. Narrator 25. So, if you're ready to rewrite the rules, engage in the power of data and content and take your throne as the dominant force in your market, get in touch with us today. Narrator 26. Rise and take control. Let us embark on this incredible journey together towards a future of endless possibilities where market domination becomes the norm. Thank you for letting us show you the potential that an exceptional digital marketing strategy holds. Narrator 27. Remember, the future belongs to the pioneers, the market dominators, the risk takers who aren't afraid to push the boundaries. And with us at your side, you're ready to step into that future and claim your place. Rise and take control. Narrator 28. Don't just set goals. See them through. Strategize. Execute. Analyze. Adapt. And then, dominate. Together, we will revolutionize your brand and shift the paradigm for digital business success. Rise and take control. Narrator 29. In this digital age, standing still is not an option. But with the right marketing strategy and a team to support you every step of the way, you'll not only adapt to the rapid pace of change but thrive. Don't wait, let's rise and take control. Mindsets are changing, the game is evolving, and the market is adapting. So, the only question is, are you ready to rise and take control, or will you be left behind? The future is yours. Seize it. Narrator 31. We know the power of a winning digital marketing strategy. So, if you're ready to stop being a player and start being a dominator, then there's no better time than now to join us and rise to new heights. The market is calling. It's your turn now. Narrator 32. In a world where attention is the new currency, are you prepared to make a stand? To reach new heights? To disrupt and dominate the market? We believe you are. Let's make it happen. Let's rise and take control, together. Narrator 33. We've reached the final frontier of our journey, the power of domination. Take control of your market with our digital marketing strategy and navigate your path to unparalleled growth and success. Embrace the challenge. Lead the way. Rise and take control. Narrator 34. Are you ready to write your business success story? We're here to support and empower you every step of the way. With belief, determination and the right marketing strategy, the possibilities are limitless. The future is ready. You are ready. Rise and take control.